All right, let's talk about how you can calculate averages in Excel. So here in our example, we have some random sales data for our company in 2024, 2025, all the way to 2027 for each month of the year. Now we want to know what the average monthly sales is for the year, indicated here. And then we also want to know what the average sales is for each month across the 4 years here. So you can do this pretty easily in Excel. So all you need to do is select the cell where you want the average to be. Type equals average and select the average formula or function within Excel. And select the range that you're looking to average. In this case, it will be all of the January sales data for the last 4 years. And then we can go ahead and hit enter. And that will give us our average across these 4 data points. Now, if we click this bottom right corner in this cell and we drag this down, that formula will copy across for each row, giving us the average for each month across those 4 years. Now, we can do the same thing if we want the average for the entire year. We can select the cell we're looking to display the average, type equals average again, and then just select that range of cells and then hit enter. And then you can click and drag that across, and that will copy for each individual column, giving you the average for each year. Now you might get this little triangle in the top left corner of your cell to display. Simply select those cells, hit this little exclamation mark inside the triangle, and basically this is telling you that this is omitting adjacent cells because it's wanting to include this top row of headers as well. We'll just simply ignore and then that will go away. But there you have it. That's how you can calculate an average in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.